Hey guys, welcome to another session. So today we are going to discuss on the enterprise structure. Okay, so in last session we have configured the this part. You can say sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, now let me just scroll down. Okay, now we are going to do the pending configuration. Okay, in the enterprise structure. So okay, just log in SAP and go to SPRO reference IMG enterprise structure. So currently we are in the enterprise structure and in the definition section. Okay, so last time we defined the sales organization, distribution and division. Okay, now let's complete all the part in the definition section. So when we see, there is another part, like first part is there, financial accounting. Okay, so you can see here. So under the financial accounting, we are going to define the company code. Okay, so what is company code? Okay, so company code is an organization unit which is responsible for all the external financial transaction happens in a company. So related to balance sheet, profit and loss statement. So for this thing, we required a company code. Okay, so let's go here and click on edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, so again we are going to copy and create. So click on copy object. Okay, and one more thing, last time how we were naming the enterprise structure. So last time we use ZB00. Okay, now I want the company code name to be same, ZB00. Okay, so from company code we can take this 1000. Now the new company code will be CB00. Okay, you can copy. Yes, do you want to allocate a different local currency target company? You can change also. No, yes, we want the currency INR only. Okay, yes. Okay, now you can see all the tables are getting copied. Okay, uh, so it's asking for the TR, so we can save anywhere TR, no issue. Okay, so this company code will be configured by FI consultant only. Okay, so being a ST consultant, you are nowhere involved in the configuration. Okay, so just go again here and click on edit company code. Okay, now click on position ZB00. Now I will rename it. So let's say I want to name it a company code 1. Okay, now here address section is there, just go there and provide the address, name and everything, company code 1. All this thing I don't want, so I will just simply remove it. System, so there is a logic, use the first word right there in this system 1, and in the second term provide the pending word. Okay, now state house, I want to make it different address. Postal code will be 40074. City is Mumbai, so you can choose any address. Okay, now I'm taking Maharashtra. Time zone should be get updated automatically. Just remove all this postal code, I don't want as of now. Okay, so company code is finally created. Okay, now the let's go here from here only. Okay, so in the financial section, so as of now we need only this thing, company code. Rest thing will be copied automatically. Now just close this. Okay, now in controlling we don't have to do anything as of now. Under the logistic general, so we need a plant. Okay, so what is plant? So plant is a physical location where we do the process of manufacturing finished goods. So every let's say there is some manufacturing company, so there will be various plants set up where all the manufacturing part will be done. Okay, so example, you can take any oil industry or any car manufacturing industry, so they will have a different plants. Okay, so let's configure that part, and this plant will be configured by consultant. Okay, so for practice purpose we can go here. Now click on copy. Again we'll take let's say 1,000 plant will be there, 2 plant. Yep, so there is another part. Let me just go in. Yep, so how I prefer this naming convention. So let's say I prefer, let's say these two words should be same. Then let's say we have 10 plants. Okay, now what I will do based on the sales organization. So let's say if new plant is there, first plant is there, so I will make it as ZB01. If second plant is there, ZB02. Okay, these two word I will make it common. So sales organization ZB, company code ZB. Okay, even the purchase organization when we are creating in future, so I will make it ZB00. So this is the best way I found out the naming convention. Okay, so it totally depends on the client requirements. So okay, right now we are taking ZB01. Okay, so this is the first plant. So as let's say we need to create a few more plants also. So let's then we are going to use ZB02, 03 kind of. Okay, so this is copied. Okay, activities. Okay, so from 1000 it's copied to ZB01. Okay, now we can go again here, and we can define plant, click on position, go to ZB01. Okay, now we can change the name. So let's say I am providing name to be Mumbai plant. Okay, now come here in the address section, Mumbai plant. So system 1 I will take Mumbai. Next I will take a plant. Street I will take the address. This thing are not compulsory. District. Okay, just change it 400,074. Country I will change it IN. So this region will be helpful when we are going to discuss on the GST part. Okay, in the upcoming session. Okay, so this is done. So just save it. Okay, so here we have plant and division we have already defined. Okay, now come to the section material management. Okay, here we can define the storage location. So just scrolling down. Okay, so what is the storage location? Storage location is a physical location where we'll store the goods within a plant. So uh, so how the store location will be there? So there will be a raw, say raw storage location. Okay, so there will be another semi finish. Okay, then you can say packaging can be there, packaging will be there, then finish will be there, finished goods. Okay, so depends on the storage, we can have various more than this also. So these are four are standard: raw, semi finished, packaging and finished good. Okay, so I'm just going again in SAP. Okay, okay, here only in material management, maintain storage location, click over there. So here you have to provide the plant. So my plant is ZB01. Okay, now as we have copied now, so storage location is also copied from the standard one. Now I don't need this much, so I will come simply here and I will delete each and every one. So total 140 entries. Okay, I will maintain one new Z001. So this will be our finish goods. Let me create one more Z002. So we can take a raw. Okay, raw material. So if you want to assign the address, then you can go here, else you can just leave it and save it. So this is done. Okay, let me just update here. After company code, we have created the plant ZB01, then slog storage location, okay. Now we'll see what next. Okay, so this material management, this much only required, and this will be done by the consultant. Okay, now come here under the logistic execution. So here this shipping point, we need to define this ship, being as consultant, you have to define the shipping point. Okay, so let me just give you some overview. Okay, so what is a shipping point? It is a physical location where we do the process of loading goods into truck rails for dispatching the into the customer. Okay, so let's say some product are there, you can take any product, some cartoons are there, boxes are there. So initially they will be in a particular warehouse. Okay, so from there they will let's say store person is there, so they will bring to a particular location. From that particular location, all the product will be going to ship, or you can say it will be going to distribute it, or we will do the loading into any vehicles. So people are going to do the loading parts. Okay, so from that shipping point only. Okay, so let's define this shipping point. Shipping point, one second. Shipping, we can take one, but it's not necessary. Okay, so I will rename it like Z0, one second, Z001. Let's see if it is there or not. Z001 and entry already exit. Okay. ZB, I will take ZB01. Okay. Mumbai. So I will rename as shipping point 1. Okay, a plant can have multiple shipping points. Okay, so factory client is assigned. I'm just removing all this field. We'll use this field later on. As of now, it is not required. Okay, I will just enter shipping point. Address is not, if only you don't provide, then also fine, or you can provide anything also, but let me give some, play something. 774. Okay, country will be IN, region will take Maharashtra. I'm taking that default transportation zone only. We'll use this. Not different for country. I will remove this transportation zone. Okay, so shipping point ZB01 we have created. Okay, so till now we have completed all this. We have completed the enterprise section definition part. So in the definition we have completed finance accounting, logistic general, sales and distribution, logistic, execution. Okay, so in the upcoming session we are going to dive into the assignment part. Okay, that's all for today's session. You can check the description box from this below link. Okay, so from the in the description box I will provide these notes also, so you can have a look over there. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.